Hey guys, it's Kaylee. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out some more ATEEZ. Today we're going to do the collab that they did with Kim Jong-Kook. I'm pretty sure he's the one from Turbo, right? That they did a few covers of their songs. I haven't heard any of the originals, like Turbo's music and stuff, but I have definitely seen specifically Kim Jong-Kook's face a lot in like reality shows and stuff like that. But I don't think I've ever actually heard him sing. So I'm excited for this. I pretty sure it's like more of a summer like fun song from like the few pictures and images I've seen. And the title is in Korean, so bear with me. But is it Bara Bolagare? Don't know if I'm saying that right. But I think it's do you want to see or do you want to go see the sea or something like that. Definitely let me know because my translation isn't very good. I'm learning, but I am excited for this. It looks like it's going to be more fun and everything. I think I've seen like a snippet or something from one of the guides and stuff too. So I'm excited. But yeah, we're gonna get right into this. So let's go. Okay, yeah, I just checked and it came out in August of last year. So definitely more on like the summer side, I'm guessing. But a little over like a year old. So we're gonna get right into this. Let's go. Wow, okay, I was not expecting his voice to sound like that. It was so like light, like especially with those harmonies and stuff that were going on. Warning, there's gonna be pausing and stuff. I'm probably gonna watch it twice, so I'll try not to pause as much during the first one. But his voice, yeah, is so much like lighter than I expected. And his harmonies. I love that, like those horns, like the saxophone kind of sound right there. Ooh, okay. It's always Hongjun and Mingi with that transition. Whenever it's like this kind of feel good, like upbeat song and everything, they always bring in more of that trap feel and stuff when they come in, and I love it so much. Okay, yeah, I remember it's this one that Sungwoo rapped and stuff into during the previews and stuff. Which I really love because I feel like Mingi and Hongjun have totally separate tones. Hongjun being on the higher end and Mingi being in that lower, deeper tone. And I feel like Sungwoo is such a good mix of that. He's much more on the lower side, but I feel like when he does like the speaking rap and stuff, he brings in a little bit more of the brighter side of his voice and everything. So it's such a good mix in between Hongjun and Mingi. I love how bright this video is. All the saturation is very high. I love that instrumental in the back. His voice reminds me so much of someone, and I can't think of who it is. I love the instrumental right there with those notes right there. It brings in a little bit of that old school kind of feel. These two. I'm loving this whole denim set on Sun. That instrumental, I love. Like, this instrumental in the back is so, like, upbeat and bubbly and fun, but it incorporates, like, those horns and stuff so well, mixed with, like, that twinkling and everything, which is very more of, like, that jazzy old school kind of feel, and I love those two coming together. And I feel like his voice especially mixes so well with Jungho's. I love that swelling in the back. I love that Wooyoung got that part. Dude. Did you hear those high-ass backing vocals? Those hits are really good too. Okay, that was just like a nice song. Like, definitely, it wasn't like definitely over the top or anything, which I really liked because it was definitely gave off more of those summer feels, but it was more of like a chill kind of smoother feeling. I feel like it's different than what I've heard from ATEEZ and the style and stuff before. Like, I've heard them use like all this instrumental and everything, but the way that they used it in here, like incorporating those, like the saxophone and stuff mixed with like that twinkling and everything, and mixed with like this more like upbeat kind of poppy kind of feel, I really liked. I feel like it mixed with the song so well, and all their voices too. But I really liked this. It was so like just nice, especially the colors in the music video were very like saturated and summer feeling, especially like the blues and yellows just were like bumped up so high. And I really like that because it really always makes it like a bright, happy feeling. And I really liked it. That was the first time I heard Kim Jong-kook's voice. I loved his voice. It definitely caught me off guard the first time that I saw it because his voice does not match his face very well, which I love. His voice reminds me so much of somebody, and I can't think of who it is, but it definitely gives me like Chen from EXO vibes, like that kind of style, just more like gritty and has like a little bit of something else in it. But I love it, how high it is too, especially those notes that they were reaching, like him and Jungho especially, like going high up, especially near the end and stuff. But I love too that Wooyoung, he got like that mini kind of bridge part and stuff, and then it went more into the rapping stuff with Mingi and everyone. But we're gonna watch this again. But I really like this. It was a good collab. And just like how bright everything is and the sun flares that they play with so much. I noticed they do that with a lot of their music videos, but with this especially, I've noticed it mixes well with the bright colors. And those harmonies, man, those are so good. And this, it brings in that like more, okay, first, I love everybody's looks too. Like the denim and everything is so like old school, but like you can tell it's like modernized a little bit. But I definitely love like how it brings in those dance vibes and stuff, but it's very minuscule at first. Like especially going to this, it has that slower feeling mixed with that. I'm loving Miggy's style in here too, like this crimped hair and the headband and stuff. I love when groups like use like that intense like jazzy kind of horn, like the trumpets and like saxophone and stuff mixed in. I love that. And it's like so prominent too, which I love. Is that Miggy with a pool float around him? He looks like all of them look so good. I love how much too they're playing with the very like contrasted colors and like complementary colors. Like they're playing a lot with the blues and yellows, which is so nice. But then you also get the blues and reds and blues mixed with the purples, and all of those together are like very much like complementary colors and everything. Does he only have one sunglass lens? These two. I love the camera angle, it's so cool. I love when he does, like specifically Hongjoong, he does that rhythm a lot with his rap, and I love it so much. Sun was killing it. I can't with them. Not the dance moves. I gotta say, I love all of them pull off crimped hair so well. Like, it looks so good on all of them. And this little breakdown. I love that piano too. It gives like a consistent feel throughout the song and stuff, even though there's so many switch ups and everything with the instrumentals. Dude, look at their skin. Like, especially Yesung. Yeah, I love the contrast between Jungkook's voice and Jungho. I feel like they have a very similar register singing wise, but I feel like Jungkook brings in a little bit more of that breathiness than Jungho does. So it's such a nice transition between their voices. Dude, Leon sounds so good on this part. Like how it just switches up into that like very more stripped back kind of smoother style from this. It like all cuts out. But you still get that like tiny bit of like beatboxing kind of sound in the back too. Even the colors, I love how it gets vocals insane. But I love how it brings in those darker tones and everything too. It was so good. I have to watch this. Okay, I really liked that. That was such a solid collab. I definitely loved Jungkook's voice. I definitely want to like listen to a couple of like Turbo's and like their old stuff and everything, because I loved his voice and I love like that style. Like I feel like his voice sticks out a lot, and I feel like it mixed so well with all of them, but especially Jungho in this. But I feel like this specifically is kind of a different style than I've seen from ATEEZ. It's like, it definitely has like the wave element and stuff, but it's definitely, I feel like it brought in like a different side to what I've heard from them. And I really like that. But this was such a solid collab. The colors and everything were so good. The actual like shooting the music video and the different shots and stuff. I love how it was just like more of a fun kind of style and everything because it matched the song so well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching with me and everything. I'm definitely going to be checking out more albums eventually too, and like all the comeback stuff and everything. And then I did see you guys told me they had a some of the members had a collab with Pentatonics, which I want to check out because I used to be obsessed with them. So we're going to check that out soon too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and everything, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.